got shocked. Interesting. I just got shocked by this thing, which means that it should have. Ah, man, I was gonna try to start it before it died. Cranking, it's not working. So if it's not cranking, one of the things that may be happening is our battery's not counting. And this was actually pretty, yeah. Can you hear that? You see the light? Probably can't hear it, but this negative terminal just wasn't contacting well. So let's see if that was the problem. Let's try to crank it again. Yep. Let's give just one little push. One little push. Boom. There it is. Give it another little push. And crank it again. Give it a push. So let's do it again. Just crank it and give it a push. Oh, you know what it was? When I adjusted the throttle, I actually decreased the RPMs. Because what I actually did was I moved this metal component forward. I should have pulled it back. So let's do that again. So you see now it's warmed up and it wants to take off. So one thing that, if I give it a little throttle here, let it bounce back, it might shut off. No, it doesn't shut off. All right, well, let's just kill it. It's interesting. It's like the ground wire is not good. That's the problem is. Let me get the ground wire squared away. But anyways, thanks for watching.